digital marketing. Utilizes internet, digital technologies and interactive media to achieve business goals. It's the cost-effective marketing way to expand the business and explore customers. To stand out in marketing campaign, there are 4 marketing strategies recommended. Video marketing, content marketing, SEO marketing, media marketing. Strategies benefits marketers can drive more traffic with high-quality contents delivery. More contents shared on social platforms benefits target audiences and improve conversion rate. Now, are you ready for your business digital marketing? First, have a clear concept about business brand, products and services. Then choose suitable marketing strategies accordingly. MangoAnimate.com